Guys, you already know the deal. I gotta have my spicy chicken sandwiches. It's funny because I've never been a fan of Hardee's. Like, I never had any desire to go there, but then my boss ordered it one time and just happened to get these spicy chicken sandwiches, and I've been obsessed ever since. But today, we were doing some data logging, hopefully. I cut out the bumper, the grill, and I love it. It looks so sick. You can see everything. You can see the bash bar, the oil cooler. Now I think, I don't know, I still gotta decide, because putting the oil cooler right in front of the intercooler does draw some power. I mean, it does cut a little bit of power, you know, because you got all that heat up there, but I mean, there's a lot of airflow going in here. But ideally, I'd like to move it to like over here, but the way the lines are, I don't know how it's gonna work. So we'll have to figure that out. But I mean, I'm not too worried about it. I'm fine with where it sits right now. I might cut these zip ties now though, because the only reason I had to zip tie these up is because they were in the way of the bumper when the grill was there. So I can cut those so then they'll just be free hanging. It'll clean up this a little bit. But I just got done getting my first tattoo. It says 583 on the front and then see you again on the back. I'm not gonna get into it too much because I don't need to make this depressing or anything, but it's for my friend that died back in high school, so I got that in honor of him, and I've always wanted it ever since then, but I finally jumped the gun on it. But Hunter should be here soon. I'm just gonna eat my food and I'm gonna go show my parents my tattoo because they want to see it. But yeah, it should be a good day. All right, we got everything hooked up. Do a little E85 cold start. Oh yeah. So we're gonna do the idle. Okay. Should we just do the idle log right here?
Yeah, we'll have to set up like the parameters and stuff. So you have to like data log.
Okay.
Like 20 different parameters.
Alright, I'm on the GoPro now, guys. We're just getting some of the data logs. We already did the idle one, which literally just, it's as simple as it sounds. You had to let the car idle for 12 minutes. Now we gotta go drive on the highway for 12 minutes.
The fucking toaster.
Oh shit! Slammed. Thing's lower than me.
It is.
Oh! Dude, you can just feel it just pull up the hill.
Yeah, I bet it's a big difference in stock, huh?
Oh yeah, big time.
Actually has like some torque down.
Yeah.
That's sick, yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, you
Can't
never
go
rode
with-
my Miata when it was stock, but like a stock 1.6 Miata is ridiculously slow.
Oh yeah.
Driving them back to back, it's like my other one just feels broken. Feels like something's wrong with it. So once you get on here, you can just like set on 65, and then once we hit the interstate, you can just do 65 people pass.
Okay, that works. There we go. Okay, we're good.
Alright, so we started at 419.
Okay. Alright guys, we just finished doing the data logs, took it out on the highway. I think I stopped filming after we did just the steady 12-minute constant speed log, and then we did the little like half throttle pull. I mean, the car felt awesome. The fittings on the oil cooler are still leaking a little bit. I thought hopefully I was tightening them more was gonna fix that, but they're still leaking a little bit. So after tonight, There's gonna be a little car meet tonight, so I'm gonna go to that. But then after then, I mean, I'm just gonna keep checking on the oil, make sure it's good. But then I'm gonna, once the car is cooled off and everything, I'm gonna rip those off and put some Teflon tape on there, so it'll all be good. But now I'm gonna go wash the car and then we can go to that car meet. We got Eston up here in his blue Subaru, and then Hunter in the Miata, his girlfriend, and his STI, and then Kyle in his truck. Sounds so good. I will never get over that. Like, I will never not get in this car and just smile. Here's my boss's piece of shit. Shit box. Gonna take me for a rip. Oh. You loving it?
Dude. It sounds so good, like just cruising, like idling it.
It's under right in the river. She shifts good and hard.
It shifts a lot better.
Yeah.
That
feels good.
65.
Yeah, that feels good. Got the fattest meat ever going on. People already came and checked out the car. We had the whole like literally everybody here, but food over there.
Yeah, it started well, it didn't smoke. It didn't really drink oil. It was odd. It just when it got up, just when it would get into boost, the catch can would just fill.
It's like big clean.
Oh hey!
This is like my dream Subaru right here. Is this ours? Oh, fucking Mohawk helmet. Damn, you rocking the wide, boys. I think you might be rubbing just a wee bit. It's looking like a little wear and tear there. That is sick though. That is really clean. This is what I would have gotten if I didn't get the BRZ. It was a tie between these two, but I think I made the right choice. I still would always want one though. Yeah, Hunter's girl. Yeah, but this thing, oh, I love this.